Better than the Philly cheesesteak?
Yeah, Philly cheesesteak was garbage.
Better than this?
Yeah, that shit was garbage. I need to take that sign off the wall. Yo, actually, yo, show around the look. Look at that Philly pretzel look. Look at the Philly pretzel right there, look. Hold on. Zoom out. Yo, Brethren, where we at right now? Oh, my son don't know. Alright, never mind. Pull up. Yo, my fault. Yeah, we out in Phillips, you know what I mean? I never been to this cheesesteak spot before, but it looked like they got some people. Look, they got the... Not yet.
I mean, right there.
I mean, the classic cheesesteaks is always the best. Like I said, everyone in Philly got their order. Mine is fried onions, mushrooms, American cheese, and mayo. American onions, mushrooms, and then the mayo packets on the side.
American mushrooms, onion.
You know we in Philly, you're not capping. Look at this out here. Best of Philly 2012. You know there was winning awards for me.
They're OG, they've been here for years and years.
Philly original telling you.
Yeah,
You know it's no cap. But come treat a menu.
Sure.
Menu steak beef, nothing wrong.
You get the roll too, the Chilean Philly, the seeded one. It's like,
I get it well done?
Yeah. So you can pretty much do whatever you like. I got like mushrooms, I got lettuce and tomato, I got hot peppers, I got sweet peppers.
What's the way like the original person was getting it?
I think you should get probably a whole batch and then so that's grilled tomatoes, long hot peppers, provolone cheese, black pepper, and oregano.
Yeah, let me get that one. On the cedar roll.
And the seeded roll, got you.
Alright, chopping back in here. We got the singles now. Bro. We got the singles now. Yo, look, now this joint packed.
Nah, he's good.
Nah, hold on, time out. Why am I getting credits? I know we in Philly for damn, bro. I said every time sandwiches, straight big sandwich like that, bro. Like, nah, I see what Shorty was talking about, bro. Look at this big ass stuff in there. Alright, bro, I'm not gonna lie. I asked him how the Philly niggas be eating it, bro. And he said this is the old fashioned. This is the sandwich that they won the award for. Look, show him. This is the sandwich they won the award for. So, yo, not there. Wow. Alright, so let me see what this hitting for. Real Philly cheesesteak. Let's see if this is better than a chopped cheese, bro. They be saying, oh, you gotta come to Philly, get a real Philly cheesesteak, whatever. Let me see.
I think because you own the place, you can put that in a roll and sell it.
Nah, a couple about choke me, bro. Not gonna lie, bro.
But you're laughing as if it's funny.
A couple about to choke me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, no, I gotta take a little bite, bro. So, how are you out? Look at this out right here. It says Best of Philly 2012. You know there was winning awards for me.
nah, they're OG, they've been here for years and years.
Award sandwich? Award? Nah, I'm not even trying to diss y'all, bro. Yo, who was the judge, bro? I'm not gonna lie, bro. I gotta talk to him, bro. I have to talk to him, bro. Did they pay you, bro? Who was the judge of this, bro? I gotta talk to him, bro. On some live, bro. You probably know him, bro. You probably definitely know him, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Nah, I should've asked, bro. I should've not asked, bro. When I read it, bro. Well, I'm make sure I'm not bugging. But my son over there is fucking real fruit. My son is killing that shit, bro. Oh my. Yo. Sub Nate ENT, tapping out, bro. Video done, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not jacking the sandwich, bro. But I mean, homie hungry. Oh, bro, I got my boy with a sandwich, bro.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yo, you trying to rate the sandwich, bro? Rate it.
Rate it. I'll rate it. Alright, bet. He's out in your head, right? Yeah.
Let's see my boy. No, you go. What you rated? 1 to 10, bro.
Yeah, 10.
Honest opinion, bro.
I was 10.
A 10?
A 10.
And you from Philly?
I was 10.
You were from Philly?
Not originally, but I'm from New York.
Well, myself from New York too, so you lying, bro. You do not eat Philly cheesesteak, bro. We eat chopped cheese, bro. What you want?
Oh, shot cheese?
Facts. You see my son put in the kit. That's how you gotta put it in Philly, bro. With the mayonnaise and the ketchup.
Yeah. No, I appreciate
Are
it.
you safety, bro?
Alright.
Yo, bro, you don't want that? Yo, this is yours right here.
Oh, go.
Bro, are you trying to leave the segment I got for you, bro? What's up?
I'm going to do
Bro,
that.
come on, my boy.
See, he from New York. He said my fault.
Alright, yo, safety, bro. I'm not gonna leave with just that bad review from me. See, they got something else on here. Look. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie, Chicago. This is called a pizza, but it don't look like this, bro. I'm not gonna lie, why you couldn't cut it? Alright, I'm about to see what's up. And that joint hot as hell too, bro. Zoom in for this joint. Zoom in. Alright. Nah, this joint like a hockey puck, bro. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to just bite this joint, though. This joint hot as hell, bro. Shit look like a patty.
Smells mad good. Girl, you can fuck with it. Oh.
Bro, this shit tastes like a funnel cake without the powder, bro.
It smells like a funnel cake. For real.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it. Hey, Bella.
Better than the Philly cheesesteak?
Yeah, Philly cheesesteak was garbage.
Better than this?
Yeah, that shit was garbage. You need to take that sign off the wall. I'm not gonna lie, Chicago pizza puff is better.
Yeah, girl. Go try your pizza puff. Try it off camera.
Yo, from a scale 1 to 10, bro, I rated 8.5.
Go try your Tostitos. Pizza puff.